Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Anique Inspires, with your girl Anique. Alright guys, so you may have one question right now for me. Why is your hair looking like that? I'm going to be washing my hair today. So the products that I'll be using to wash my hair today, I'll be using the Tresemme, and I'll also be using this argan oil conditioner. I'll also be using this brush to help with my hair. Trust me guys, as a kinky hair girl, it really helps. The other thing that I'm going to use to help with my hair, I'm going to be using this wide tooth comb. I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to show you how my hair look once it's washed. Just stay tuned. I'm going to show you what else I do to my hair. And the thing is that I plan to comb my hair the next day. I plan to do 2-strand twist on my hair. But the reason why I'm doing it the following day is because I don't want to put any heat on my hair. So after washing my hair, I usually just separate my hair and just detangle it, and then just let it sit overnight so it absorbs all the essential oils that I'm going to put in it. And then from there I can just 2-strand twist my hair just like that without any heat. For the past couple months, because I've been going to the hairdresser, they have used heat in my hair. When they use heat on my hair, it's easier for them to comb my hair, because best believe it, my hair is a lot light. Don't let it fool you, okay? It's thick and sometimes it gets annoying. Most times it gets annoying to me, especially when I have tons of other things to do. My hair is the last thing that I want to comb, and that's just the truth. Sometimes I just feel like, okay, then it's best if I just go to the hairdresser. I just pay money, go to the hairdresser, they comb my hair, and that's it. I'm actually going to try a little bit harder to care for my hair, a little bit better. You know, I don't want to find all these excuses as to why I can't comb my hair. But like I said, I'm going to be washing my hair, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you guys how exactly my hair looks after washing it, and then I'm going to detangle it.
A few moments later.
Hello lovely, so I just finished washing my hair, and of course I just wrapped it in a towel. Why? Because this is an effective strategy for allowing my hair to dry even faster. So let me show you what it looks like. Trust me guys, it's clean. My hair is clean. So I look like a troll. But yeah, this is my hair in its damp state. So the thing is that because I have wrapped it with the towel, it's just super nice and moist. All I have to do now is just to detangle it with my comb, my wide tooth comb. And before I detangle it, what I'm going to do is to apply some of my, what is it called again? It's called Island Oil. Guys, trust me, it's super nice. Just rubbing it all over my hair, it just makes it so soft and so nice. I kid you not, just give it a try and tell me what you think about this product. Comment below after giving it a try what exactly you think about this product, how it made your hair feel, and so forth. Anyways, yeah, so like I said, it's called the Island Oil. Let me just show you. Yeah, so it's called the Island Oil. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. It has moringa seed and this manuka, this thing called manuka honey, whatever that is. But like I said, I'm going to leave a link of this in the description so that you can purchase it and then just try it and see how it makes your hair feel. Being that my hair is damp, what I'm going to do is just to just pour some of this oil, any amount that I want and I think that is sufficient on my hair. Then I'm just going to massage it. Guys, so now that I have dispensed the product all over my hair, what I'm going to do now is just to detangle my hair, and then after I detangle my hair, I'm just going to let it sit overnight. I'm going to let my hair absorb this wonderful product. Well, I would call this an essential oil. I'm just going to let it just absorb in my hair, and then tomorrow I am going to two-strand twist my hair, and then that is it for my hair, and then we'll just take it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you gave this product a try, definitely comment down below and let me know how it worked out for your hair. And yeah, just thank you for watching this video today. Have a happy new year, and I pray that everything good will come your way